thing is, getting up is actually quite scary. That's the thing, because it feels.
Oh, tell your girlfriend you're a pussy.
I'm not a pussy though.
Oh, well, look at you.
It's hard to get down because I'm too short.
Oh my god!
You took 15 seconds to get on there. Right, so what he got up there thinking he was cool, and now he can't get back down. So
Too short.
let's see how long it takes him, yeah?
With me?
Well, this guy got up there, he was scared to come down, then I told him he's got 15 seconds to get home, and then he jumped down. But they both have about 15 seconds to get home. So there you go, he jumped down. You could have done it here.
Yeah, it's... yeah, it's 8:47.
Right, so come on,
Oh god, now you would jump down.
Just jump off.
jump off. The only thing you're going to do is a...
Face that way and jump like I did. But do it on that side because it's higher up.
Yo, go and stand next door to that, on the corner, so I can see how tall he is. So that's literally how tall he is, and he's about 6 foot,
Stinging nettle.
or slightly less.
Smaller.
So he's about 5 foot or something.
6.
6?
Yeah.
You're exactly 6 foot.
No, about 6. I'm 6 foot something.
So 6 foot something, that's basically the height of a fence. So, let's see if he can jump off. He's been up there for now, for about 10, 15 minutes. And he's been trying 4 times now. That was the 4th try.
1 sec.
So, let's see how long it'll take. So far the video's up to 1 minute 40.
I can't record it, but
You recording this?
my
Josh,
phone's...
really?
My
So,
phone's- I
I'm
can't
going
record
to
it.
show you.
Oh, no. Just put it in the seat.
By the way, if this takes half an hour, if this takes an hour, yeah, your mum's definitely going to kill you when you get back.
I will get the ball to jump down.
So this is in Blackpool, and it's like a little bomb shelter type place with a little bomb shelter guy on top.
He sucks my cock.
Don't sit there.
Don't listen to him.
So I'm a kid-friendly show, but yeah, let's see how long this is going to take. All he's got to do is turn around and see the gap, is put his foot in between the gap. That's it.
Too short.
You got up there.
You have to get down.
Bottom short.
So the way he got up is I gave him a little boost up because he really wanted to go up there, so come on, Cole.
Now I've got to try and get down. It's hard though.
By the way, I think his dad's going to kill him when he finds out his wrecking clothes.
1 minute.
The only way you're getting off there is scraping your clothes on there, and they ain't being funny, they're not cheap.
Oh.
No, you got shot in your shoes, bro.
What?
You got shot in your shoes.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh, I got shit on my shoe.
That's disgusting, man. You can even see the grey bit on the fucking video.
Carl, just land up, just go and sit on it.
I'm filming this the wrong angle, I should be sideways.
Me too. That's what I thought.
Oh, that's deep. You have to jump off.
That's a good idea, you know. That
Right,
would
come
make
on,
it
Cole, you've been up there for 3 minutes and something.
That's 2
Let me
minutes.
just see how long... Wait, you've got 11 minutes. So you've been up there for 4 minutes now, wasting around.
Get the fucking shoe away from me, bitch.
Right, Cole, come on, you need to hurry up.
Get the shoe away from me.
If your dad says, why are you late, I'm just literally going to send him this video.
You can talk like that, man.
What?
You can talk like that.
You can do it after.
Yo, wait, is he going to jump off?
I'm not jumping off like that, bro.
So this is how we keep on telling him to get off it.
Yeah, but I'm
Literally
too short.
sit on it and push yourself off and then just jump.
Yeah, but I'm too short.
Why? Move over to this edge.
Let me get back up. Let me just stand next to
Right,
it.
move over
So
to this edge here.
I can't get back up now
Cole,
because of this
Cole,
shit.
move over to this edge. Over to the edge.
Jump now, jump
Right,
now.
move over to the edge.
Jump now from that. Jump.
Oh my god, he actually got down. Everyone, hit a like
got
button
down
if you really want to see him in another video. If not, then just put a dislike. You know what I mean? I don't really care. Subscribe if you want to know what he's thinking at this moment in time, and I'll take an interview. See you later. Have fun. Bye.